Welcome back again to this channel series. In this video, we are going to build up on what we have already done after creation of our new YouTube video. This time around, I'm going to walk you through all the things you need to know as you begin your upload of your very first video. Let's get right into that. Click on create and then on upload video. It will lead you to this place. Then click on select files. Let me just upload one of my videos here. I can go to video here and then select one short video. Okay, this one is 3 MB. Now wait for some time. There is something I want to advise you on. You see this uploading time. Make sure that after uploading that it has processed. If it has not processed, you are going to have some disadvantages. Number one, because they are not processing your video, you will not be able to understand their video, generate the subtitles for you, and make it to be the best it can be in terms of quality. While it is uploaded, rather, use that moment to go straight to visibility and make sure it is in private. Then you are going to video elements and see these things. But then let's begin from the details. Under the details, you see, now you see that this thing is uploading. If you have not saved your video before, you will not be able to see this file name. I have a link here on a video that shows you this. vidIQ, you can see it is now giving me a suggestion on better things that can rank better. People search better. You see, the one that I selected was 74%, but this one you can see options or suggestion that is giving me 95%, 98%, 87%. I can decide to take the one they have and then it replaces the one I have, you see. Okay, and then here I'm going to add the description of my video. If you don't know how to do the description, simply use ChatGPT. Now, thumbnail, I have done a video on this playlist here. Everything about how to create your thumbnail is there, so that you can easily create your thumbnail. If you leave it, it will auto-generate, but the one that will generate will not be wonderful. You need to construct a wonderful thumbnail for your video. And this is very necessary because that is the very first thing, together with the title that people are going to see. If it makes an impression on them, that is how they can stop everything about their scrolling and then click on that. Then the playlist, make sure you add one of the playlists you have. Now I don't have a playlist here. I can decide to create a playlist, new playlist, then call it any name, tutorial. Okay? And then describe it a bit. So this video has been added to a playlist here. Then next, I'm going to scroll down here, you see, and select no, it's not made for kids. Then click on this button, show more, and then it will give you this. My video contains pain. No, just leave this. Then click here, alter content. If you are using AI content, then you have to click yes, but this one is not AI content, so I click no. Allow automatic chapters and key moments, yes. Remove this, otherwise Google will be tracking you. Then allow automatic concept, leave it. Then here, depending on the video, we have already done this in setting before on our Google uploads, our upload defaults. But here, you have now, this is a specific video. If you know the various words that are pertaining to that video, you can now add it here. This is actually that my vidIQ giving me suggestions on what to add. So if you want, you can sign in to vidIQ. They can also help you to optimize your videos. You can see we have already set this. English, then caption verification. So everything here, allow embedding, and then publish to subscribers. Click on all this, short remixing, allow short video remixing. Then here is the category. In this category, I'm going to show you how these are various categories or niches, what we call niches that people are in. Either authors or comedy or education or entertainment or film or gaming or how to style, depending on the niche you are in. For my own, for instance, is on how to style. Then comment, all these things have been set up before. So this is already a wonderful one. Then elements, video elements. Under video elements, I'm going to add subtitle because this is a very new video. So in this one, just leave out these ones because you don't yet have other videos that you can add here. In my subsequent videos, as you follow me, you'll be able to get to know how these are done. Then once you are done with this, click on next. and then click on next again and click on save, because it says here checks complete, no issues found, and it is on private. Save. You have uploaded your very first video online. Congratulations. I believe you have learned something from this video. Please, if you have, share it to others so that they also learn, and subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon. There is also a link in the description where I provided a rundown of what you need to do before you set up your YouTube account. If you value this, please go and download this for free. You download that and be able to read through and gain every knowledge you need to be able to have a successful startup of your YouTube channel. Until then, let's see you next time. Do not fail to contact me if you have any issue. I'm here to help you.